Get it, kitty. Psst, psst. Get him. Psst, psst, psst. Get him. Get it. Psst, 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 psst. Get it.
I wanted to stick it on the hood of Bob's car.
Get him, Milo. Psst, psst. What is that? What is that?
He's like, fuck.
He doesn't want to touch it. What the fuck is that?
Big cock in his face.
Get that fucking thing away from me. Look at him. He's backing up. He's like, that thing's a monster. See you later.
I know what.
Oh my god.
Go
Get him.
fucking
Get him, kitty.
Wiggle it. Wiggle
Get it.
In his, wiggle it in his face.
Get him. Psst, 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 psst. What's that? Psst, 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 psst. Get him. Psst, psst, psst. What are you doing? What are you looking at?
He's so into it.
He doesn't want nothing to do. Submit, motherfucker. Yeah, get away. What are you looking at? Meow. Go ahead, get him.
Takes the freaking stick and you
Yeah,
try to
yeah.
wiggle it.
You guys like this, right? Huh? You like that?
They don't want that thing near them. They're like, fuck that, man. I'm not a faggot.
Hello. Well, we know what's the deal. These are two male cats. They want nothing to do with it.
Heterosexual cats.
They both submitted to the fucking giant penis.